Today on the channel I'm going to be doing some 3D scanning, and for this I've been sent out the RevelPoint Pop 2 3D scanner and whoa. Okay guys, I know it. Unboxings are really boring, so let's just take this thing and go and have some fun. So playing with this is going to be really cool, but I think it would be a lot more fun to have some company, so I'm going to go and hang out with a friend, and this friend is just like me. He loves crafting, he likes 3D printing, and most of all he's got
a great big bushy beard.
So I'm here with my friend Joe from Encounter Terrain. Minis. Do you think you've got enough minis?
You can always have more minis.
He's got the RevelPoint Pop 1 already, and he's been scanning his head, sticking his head onto miniatures. We're comparing the RevelPoint 1 to the RevelPoint 2. Already we've done a couple of scans, and your opinion is that it's instantly better.
Yeah. The
results that we're getting are pretty cool. So yeah, we're going to keep scanning and see if we can get a really cool scan of my head, stick it onto a Space Marine. So
that looks like my head. Okay, so now it's going to point fuse 1003 frames, 1063 frames.
It's kind of cool.
It will mesh it together substantially better than that.
Take two. The hard part is going to be holding the facial expression.
Now, from what I can tell, the parts that we've missed here is the very tops of your head and the underneath of your beard here, because we've got that one light shining down there, we've got the big lights shining up on top. So I want to try it once more without the lights on, not in the pitch black, but just without the studio lights on, just to see if we can get that with less shine, just because it may be playing with the infrared. That's a great second attempt.
Yeah, without the reflections and stuff, it's so much better. That actually looks like me, which is pretty incredible.
It's uncanny, isn't it?
It's unbelievable. Wow.
That's great. Let's see if we can get a rebel yell.
Yeah. Rebel yell.
3, 2, 1.
Down? Oh. Is this the sort of thing that's going to give you lockjaw?
3, 2, 1. Boom.
Hey, that's not too bad.
That's pretty clean. Yeah, that's badass.
That's actually the size of my head.
That is life size, yeah, because then that's the size of the...
and then there's the Space
That's
Marine.
the size of the Marine. So I'm going to make them a little bit bigger. Shrink that right down.
Yeah, angle it so like kind of like my head's going up.
Right, that looks so cool.
Absolutely love it, man.
Alright, now I'm just going to remove a little bit under there. There we go.
So there we go. I have been immortalized as a badass Space Marine, the new Nat 1 Videos mascot.
I'll put this into a sliceable file for you now, and then you can print that bad boy out. You can join the Encounter Terrain army.
Oh wow! That is relatable!
Okay, so I've got my printed model. I absolutely love it. Maybe I'm a little bit vain, but this is just so cool to see my face on a model, a Space Marine. And one of the things that I've seen a lot of Warhammer guys do is they drill out the barrels of their guns just to add a little more realism to their minis. On a smaller scale, I probably wouldn't do it because this is so big. Yeah, I'm definitely going to drill out the barrel. So that's what I'm going to do now. be fair, that looks so much cooler. Drill your gun barrels, guys. So there we go, guys, just a little bit of fun with the Rebel Point Pop 2 scanner, and I'm really happy with the results. If we played around for a bit longer, I'm sure we could have got a much more detailed result, but because we shrunk my head down for a miniature, it looks really good. I'm actually quite surprised at how much like me it looks. It's a little bit spooky. If you would like to get this done, Joe from Encounter Terrain is offering this as a service here in London, so you can head over to Encounter Terrain on Instagram or Encounter Prints, send him a message and he will bring you in, scan your head, and he can put your head on one of these models, or if you want a D&D character done, he could stick you on a barbarian or a halfling, whatever you want. So get in touch with Joe if you would like to get your head put onto a miniature. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, but before I go, I just want to say a massive thanks as always to all of my Patreon members. You guys are awesome, and I'm going to be making this STL available for you guys just in case you want to print my model off for some weird reason, like sticking pins in it or something. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all next time. Bye. Oops.
Hey, what's up, nerds? If you enjoyed this video, then there's quite a good chance that you're going to enjoy this video over here too. And if you really enjoyed it, you should subscribe, leave a comment, and also come and join me on Patreon. Okay, bye.